if you have a car, if I take it here and you see that is moving and door is closing. Not nice. It means it's too late. Here is too late. It's rusted, and this giant wing is rusted because was no oil in time. So if you have car, take any oil, something like this, or this one not fit rust off. You must use some oil spray and spray on this stopper, also on this giant, I don't know English word how it's called those. So just take and spray, same down there, because I see many cars is totally rusted, even a hard to open door, and owner don't know about that. If it's maintained in like some center, like Volkswagen, Audi, BMW, it's okay, they spray. But after this warranty, if you not using specialized centers, they not spray for you if you not ask. So ask and check your winches, how it calls. Sorry, but I don't know. Good luck.